Yes, my family, we're going to make some chicken today. We have two sets of chicken. Most likely it's a chicken leg. We're used to make some big chicken today. And this one now, we're make stew chicken. But most likely, we're not going to season up both of them today. But we will show you what's going on further down in the video. We're going to season up this one and marinate, make it marinate and put it down for at least about 1 day. So this we're gonna use for baked chicken. This one is for stew chicken. But if you watch the video, you're going to see what we're going to eat them with. Two different cooking. One time. In the same kitchen and the same stove. And what I say? I always tell you guys, don't blink. If you blink, you're going to miss the link. Alright. Go down to business now and start seasoning up this chicken. Get the onion. Cut up onion. I tell you, everything prep already, you know. Chicken wash chicken with vinegar. Wash our seasoning. Another seasoning. The green pepper and onion. We dice them up already and cut them ready to go. So green pepper. Put on brown. We want to put on brown in on our chicken. We like when our chicken brown. So we're browning. See? Jamaican browning. Little browning on our chicken. This now chicken seasoning. Dash. Can see it. Don't blink. If you blink, you're going to miss the link. Alright. This next one again. It's a mixed seasoning. Same dash. It's a mixed one. Blend up. Want this marinate for at least 1 day. This one now, all-purpose seasoning. Alright, this one's all-purpose seasoning. Use the seasoning to your discretion. Depends on how much meat you're cooking. You have to watch. Don't want to put too much seasoning. It's an onion powder. And an onion powder. An onion powder on it. Alright. This one now. So this, let me use this. The Goya chicken. When I use this, we don't use salt. Because all of these seasoning I use down here, you know, they have salt in it. So we don't use, when we use this, we don't use salt. So if you guys want, you can use salt on your while you do your chicken, season up your chicken. But most likely it depends. When I use these, that's enough. We just use one of this. This Goya chicken. Want it well marinated. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to wash my hand over here again because I want to use the hand and blend that seasoning into that meat. Wash my hand and then I come work that seasoning into the meat. Alright. This one, we're going to bake this one, you know. This one we're going to bake it. And we have a next one over there. So that chicken, we're going to brown stew. But if you want to see what we're going to eat it with, you have to watch the video to see what we're going to eat it with. And just take a page out of my book. So, alright. Look on it. We're going to get him covered up now. Put him in the refrigerator. And that's it. Get our cover. See me here? That's it. This one now is going to be brown stew, but you guys have to watch the video and you see what we're going to do with this. So don't blink. I think you guys know about this container with this chicken over here. And when I will marinate it, I tell us I'm going to marinate this set of chicken for overnight. We're going to bake this. It's our baked tin. So we love to cook. So we're going to put all of these chicken inside this container. And we're going to bake this chicken, put it right inside the oven. If you blink, you're going to miss the link, so don't blink. All of this going inside the oven. All the chicken goes inside the oven. I get put on foil paper when I'm finished. Cover them up. Throw them inside the oven. So I go right inside the oven, not few. And Lakeside TV I cook, you know. You just cook for everybody, wife, family, everybody. Son come from up a yonder and come get food. Wife enjoy food. So when I play around, man. Alright. What I always do, I always get a knife. I make a couple hole top of my file. Okay, my viewers. But you guys, I was telling you about the big chicken that we bake. I got the chicken inside the oven right now. What we're going to eat the big chicken with, see what vegetable we put together over here. We make this and eat with our big chicken. The big chicken almost finished now in the oven. As soon as I'm done, I take it out and show you what it looks like. So, what we have over here now, we have bok chow over here. We have carrot down here. We have a green pepper. We have an onion. This is okra. We have okra down here. So a small amount of seasoning. We don't want too much seasoning into it, you know. A small amount of seasoning we want into it. So this is an all-purpose seasoning. This one is a onion powder. And this one a blend of seasoning. And this this chicken, this one here, Goya. It's one of the best one too. Just put little Goya inside of it. Instead of use salt, just put little Goya inside of it. Good to go. So that's what we're going to use with our baked chicken today. So as soon as I get it together, I'm going to jump on back on the video and see what's going on. But remember, you know, don't blink. If you blink, you're going to miss the link. So stay tuned. We'll put this together and eat some baked chicken. So let us roll. Alright guys, I want to show you guys how I do this to put this thing together. So you can at home, you guys can just do this at home. Simple little thing, you know. This is not hard. Cause the vegetable pot. We wash these already. Back to wash them already, so no pain, no strain. We already washed them. Everything wash and clean down here now. We always wash our things then. That was before we put them in the pot. Knock up this vegetable with that baked chicken. So bok chow. Get him cut up. Instead of cutting them up on the board, we just cut them up drop them right in the skillet. We don't waste any time. We don't waste time, you know, when we are cook. Right. That's it. Don't waste time. Our sweet pepper, I put cut our sweet pepper and green pepper, put inside it. Grab a piece of onion now. A little seasoning on top. So the Goya chicken seasoning. It's coming like it's salt itself. Not more than that. Look for vegetable in it. So I blend up seasoning. If you want, you can run go across the store go buy it, you know. You don't have to use this one. A lot of different seasoning out there. But we like this one. So what? Our onion powder. Throw a little onion powder on it. You don't have to buy my onion powder, you know. A lot out there, man. You know that. But we just grab what we like. All-purpose seasoning, you see it? Use it vegetable. We have what in it now? We have all garlic, we have onion, we have pepper, everything inside of it. Then put it together, so we just grab this at the store. I want to use it. Alright? That's good. So, what we're going to do right now, you know? Alright. We want to put this, just wash my hand and take this and just spin it over. Just wash off my hand. Sorry about that interrupt. Sorry. Yeah, so I wash my hand now. So as it is now, it's like that. Just like that. See what it look like? I'll put a little piece of, I don't want to put too much butter, I will steam it. I'll put a little piece of butter on top. And bam! Good to go. So stay tuned. Don't blink. If you blink, you miss the link. So keep on ride with me. You know who said Lakeside TV 954, no doubt about it. Keep it real. You remember to say we have the baked chicken down here. The baked chicken is right down here. Alright. Soon show you guys the baked chicken in a minute. Okay guys, we can get a peep off of the baked chicken now. See the baked chicken here. That's good look. Done, complete. Ready to go. Yes guys, this is the outcome of the baked chicken and vegetable. You see what it look? See it look? Beautiful. It look man good, beautiful. Get a good view. Lakeside TV 954 style of cooking. Baked chicken with vegetable. It's good. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, Lakeside TV 954. I push out a video every week, so stay tuned. Don't blink. What I say? If you blink, you miss the link. Catch you next time with the next video. I'm out. Who said Lakeside TV 954. God bless.